Is it time to buy or sell Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust stock? In this video, we will explore Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep up with our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any key updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 5th of September, 2024, our system has identified Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.01. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who acted on our analysis have realized an impressive gain of 147.58% since we first designated Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust as a buy candidate just 2 days ago. This equates to an average return of 73.79% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock currently rests within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely within this trend. The present 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 23.72% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a total loss to an increase of 18.47%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 28.07% over the next year, with a possible return varying between a loss of 86.69% and an increase of 153.74%. This implies a price range between $1.36 to $26.01 after a year. Our latest daily update for Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust highlights significant changes in the stock price. On Friday, there was a notable movement of 75.11% between the day's high and low. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, the Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust stock price surged by 147.58%, climbing from $4.14 to $10.25. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 75.11%, ranging from a low of $7.11 to a high of $12.45. Although the price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 301.96% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased, with 1 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 79 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $805,460,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $29.90, and its lowest price was 11.5 cents. Currently, the stock price is 65.72%, or $19.65, below the 52-week high, which also stands as the all-time high for this stock. Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust, trading under the ticker WHLR, has recently experienced a critical legal victory as the Fourth Circuit Court affirmed the dismissal of a class action lawsuit linked to Cedar Realty Trust. This ruling, announced on the 4th of September 2024, removes the overhang and uncertainty associated with potential liabilities, positively impacting investor confidence. On the financial front, WHLR's recent quarterly results have shown promise, with healthy operational metrics suggesting a recovery phase. The spotlight is also on WHLR, as analysts highlight it among the most oversold stocks in the real estate sector, pointing to potential for significant short-term gains as investors seek undervalued opportunities. However, With concerns around liquidity due to the complexities of preferred securities and delisting scenarios, investors should remain cautious. The company's ability to navigate these challenges will be crucial in maintaining its stock momentum. As the real estate sector continues to evolve, WHLR could present a compelling investment opportunity if its recovery trajectory holds firm. Analysts have assigned Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust. The stock of Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. However, there is an overall sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During downward corrections, support may be offered at levels of $2.88 and $4.08. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. In addition, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing along with the stock price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. Nevertheless, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially affecting near-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 3, 2024, with the stock experiencing a decline of 47.46%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 46 days ago. Bollinger Bands showed a buy signal 79 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also signaled a buy 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 29 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average signaled a buy 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 11 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop-loss for Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $9.27 and $8.99. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock could then fall to the next support level. In this case, Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust finds support at $9.27. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $8.99 and $7.88. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, with a very wide prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, classifying this stock as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $5.34 between its high and low, or 75.11%. For the last week, the stock has experienced daily average volatility of 138.66%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and raise the risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 5th of November, 2024. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust stands at $10.50. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust faces its first support level at $9.27. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of August, 2024, Joseph Stilwell conducted an insider purchase of no shares of 7% subordinated convertible notes due in 2031. On the 23rd of August, 2024, Joseph Stilwell conducted another insider purchase of no shares of 7% subordinated convertible notes due in 2031. On the 8th of August, 2024, Rebecca Musser conducted an insider purchase of no shares. On the 1st of July, 2024, Joseph Stilwell conducted an insider purchase of 64,867 shares of Series D cumulative convertible preferred stock. On the 1st of July, 2024, Joseph Stilwell also conducted an insider purchase of 14,619 shares of Series D cumulative convertible preferred stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 94.898. In total, insiders purchased 35,811,034 shares and sold 744,244 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.70, reflecting a decrease of 5.32%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. The relative strength index, measured over 14 days, stands at 84, amplifying the overall risk associated with this stock. Additionally, a sell signal has been indicated from a pivot top that was identified 61 days ago. Is Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators appear promising. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a significant chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 9th of September, we anticipate that Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust will open down by 313 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $9.94. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.